North Carolina education leaders say our jobs of the future will be increasingly STEM-related. That means focused on science, technology, engineering, and math. But all too often, students lose interest in those types of subjects. Now, an innovative program is helping students discover just how fun a career in science and math can be.
I love the base that you've created.
This is the inspiration of Moni Singh, a computer science engineer by trade. She was born in India and worked for several top firms in the United States. But it was teaching her own two children about science that got the ball rolling, figuring out how to make a strong bridge out of nothing but a piece of paper. Their first design couldn't even hold one pencil.
And then we kept working on it, and then eventually they came to a design where that same single piece of paper could now hold 20 pencils, and it was still holding strong. And their eyes just lit up. They were totally amazed. How is it possible? And that spark that I noticed in their eyes at that time, that was just truly inspirational and, got me started with STEM for Kids.
The truth is, she looked around for science programs for her kids and couldn't find any. So she said, I'll just start one myself.
Some of the projects they have created is just amazing.
They're working with forces and gravity. They're working on computer programming. They're making their own computer games. They're building robots. So there are a lot of different things that they're doing, but we are doing it in a simple way.
One summer program allowed them to join forces with engineers at Galero Biomedical in Durham. Their mission? To design a better plastic spoon. They researched it, built a clay model, and then 3D printed it. It was a hit.
Science is really fun.
When they graduated that first session and they were demonstrating the robots that they built to their parents, you could just see the smiles on their faces, their parents' faces, and I think that session changed them.
Singh also says a crucial part of this program is making STEM real, designing experiments to solve real-life problems, not to just get a grade on a test. She says children instinctively learn when they're working toward a tangible goal.
That's cool.
Making science, technology, engineering, and math fun. That is STEM for Kids' mission, to get students hooked on a future career that's growing and good paying, just the way Moni Singh did as a computer science engineer. It's a no-brainer. Take kids, add computer games and robots, and then let their brains engage. With robotics and computers expected to play an ever bigger part in the economy of our future, STEM for Kids aims to help our future leaders find out for themselves that science careers are just plain fun.
I like computers, and I think computers are really fun to experiment with and play with.
It doesn't matter which field you go into, you are going to be using the STEM skills that come with it.